Dressed in large, flowy, white petals, the beauty of this native orchid extends beyond its beautiful appearance, revealing a magnificent and compelling scent that we love and enjoy. This plant is used by Chinese herbalists to enrich yin, stops coughs, and benefits the lungs. Have you heard of therapeutic orchids? As the name suggests, these orchids help provide soothing benefits for a more restful sleep. Not only that, they can be consumed and applied topically to reap its medical benefits, promoting greater health. Used occasionally as an antipyretic drug for fever, this therapeutic orchid also comprises detoxifying properties, helping to remove harmful toxins in our bodies and improving our blood flow. Minor illnesses like stopping coughs and clearing phlegm can be remedied as well. Not only can this whole orchid be used as a treatment for rheumatism, a decoction of this plant is used for earache and asthma. Crushed leaves are also applied on cuts and wounds. The massive healing properties of this orchid can effectively treat other illnesses, such as bronchitis, inflammation, and heal minor injuries. Do you detect hints of other scents in citrus too? We have included ingredients such as tomato leaf, eucalyptus, and mandarin to add a clean, sparkling tone in the fragrance composition. Green, sharp, with sweet leafy notes, tomato leaf provides a lifting and refreshing enhancement to the overall scent while dressing the composition with an element of nature. Tomato leaf contains antibacterial properties which provides great purifying abilities to remove harmful bacteria on our skin, providing a greater degree of cleanliness. This oil is also great in relieving headache and nervous ailments and is widely used to provide relief from aches and pains. Mandarin is highly popular and widely used in perfumery as a top note for its juicy, sweet, and invigorating scent. It blends really well with other citrusy and spicy notes, making it an extremely versatile ingredient. Mandarin essential oil has numerous therapeutic properties. It is balancing, soothing, and uplifts the mood. In addition, it possesses antiseptic, antidepressant, and digestive attributes. A splash of playful fruitiness with nuances of lively green leafy scent, this fragrance brings nature to your doorstep, recharging you with its vibrant aroma.